Hi, I'm Shawn. Welcome back to our video blog. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about what's going on with the market, both nationally and locally. So nationally, home prices have accelerated in the past year as buyers are frantically competing for a limited number of houses that are on the market. Prices continue to increase and break records as strong demand collides with a lower supply. Sales of new and existing homes have declined somewhat in the past few months nationally, mainly due to sky-high prices. Locally, we've seen a 2.2% increase in sales year over year here in Dane County, with a 12.9% increase in median prices from $310,000 to $350,000. The chief investment officer at Bleakley Advisory Group said, quote, "We have a major affordability issue, especially for the first-time buyer, that is only partly mitigated by low mortgage rates," unquote. So about half of the houses sold are still closing above the original listing price. Locally here, it's about 102% of listing price is what you're seeing for the final sale price. The median existing home sale price in June rose 23.4% from June 2020, according to the National Association of Realtors. Quote, "There's probably some sticker shock happening out there," said Hilla Seferuza, the chief financial officer at Home Building Meritage Homes Corp. However, experts predict home price growth to slow by the end of the summer as the availability of new listings helps relieve some of the pressure brought by competing buyers. Back in June, Lawrence Yun, National Association of Realtors chief economist, said, quote, "Home price growth will steadily moderate with increased supply, but a broad and prolonged decline in prices is unlikely," unquote. So with home supply slowly improving, those considering selling may want to get their houses on the market sooner rather than later to get the best price. Inventory locally, the total market supply, or that's the number of months of supply of houses, those that are available on the market to purchase that haven't closed versus the number of sales for the past 12 months. Anyway, the total market supply has increased again this month. We've also seen a shift in new listing activity. So the number of sales was higher than the number of new listings for the first time since January of 2021. And according to Raskow, which is the Realtor Association of South Central Wisconsin, while this may be an anomaly, it could also be a reaction to news of a second wave of COVID-19 cases due to the Delta variant. So the current housing market nationally is being driven by three main factors. First, millennials are now the largest generation in the country, and they're enlarging their families and buying homes. Quote, "We anticipate that millennials will continue to lead home ownership demand," says Odetta Kushi, who's the deputy chief economist at First American Financial Corporation. Second, mortgage interest rates have been falling again in the past few weeks, and low rates also continue to drive vigorous home buying demand. Third, but it shows that the U.S. real estate market is also being driven in part by reactions to the pandemic, as many buyers move from urban apartments to suburban houses. A word about interest rates here. The 30-year fixed rate is still remaining below 3% for the fifth consecutive week, while the 15-year rate has actually hit record lows. In the home building sphere, many builders are capping sales to manage their costs and to make sure they don't sell more homes than they can actually build because of the high demand that is out there for home building. So we're out in the market every day, helping clients to buy and to sell, and we do research, so we do have the best advice to give you. So feel free to reach out to me on my cell, 608-212-5743, and we'll be happy to help get your questions answered. Thanks for watching our video. See you next time.